Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 770 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, the Crypto Market Integrity Coalition has launched. Stronghold Digital has responded to a U.S. government inquiry, and WonderFi has partnered with retailer Kogan.com. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so yesterday saw the launch of the Crypto Market Integrity Coalition, or CMIC, described as an industry-defining pledge focused on cultivating a fair digital asset marketplace to combat market abuse and manipulation and promote public and regulatory confidence in the new asset class. The CMIC was initiated by crypto-native risk management firm Solidus Labs and includes leading crypto firms including Coinbase. Coinbase trades on the Nasdaq as COIN. Paul Grewal, the chief legal officer of Coinbase, commented, quote, Coinbase strives to provide our customers a safe, fair, liquid, and transparent trading venue. Along with our advanced market protections, we have operated a robust market surveillance program that utilizes state-of-the-art technology for the past several years. We are constantly working to improve our market safeguards to promote confidence in our digital assets exchange and the ecosystem more broadly. We couldn't be more excited to join this group of industry leaders and pioneers. Working together, we can resolve to build a safer crypto economy that focuses on the integrity of our interconnected markets. End quote. In response to an inquiry from U.S. senators and members of Congress regarding the impact of crypto mining, Stronghold Digital Mining, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as SDIG, highlighted its environmental stewardship in a letter. Greg Beard, the company's co-chairman and CEO, said, quote, We believe that our differentiated business model demonstrates how Bitcoin mining can have a beneficial impact on the environment, local communities, and grid stability, end quote. An excerpt from the letter reads, quote, Bitcoin mining is a primary consumer of our power, but does not preclude us from supplying power to the grid when dispatched or during periods of high power prices, end quote. WonderFi Technologies, Inc., which trades on the NEO under the ticker symbol WNDR, has announced that Kogan.com Limited, trading on the ASX under the ticker KGN, and described in the press release as one of Australia and New Zealand's largest and most popular online retailers, is going to provide marketing support to WonderFi and BitBuy as a key step towards international expansion and user growth. This potentially gives WonderFi and BitBuy, which WonderFi recently acquired, access to Kogan.com's more than 3.3 million active users in Australia. David Schaefer, the executive director of Kogan.com, said, quote, We were pleased to learn of the pending acquisition of BitBuy by WonderFi and look forward to becoming shareholders of WonderFi. Kogan.com's commitment to provide marketing support to the combined company will now include WonderFi expanding the potential offerings to Australians. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.